project has been completed. This is the positive and here is the negative. I made a mistake in using the red wire. So this is the positive, guys, and here is the negative, and here is our output. So we are going to put 5 volts input, then we get 4 point something volt, guys, output. So as you can see, so let me on my power bank. So guys, as you can see, we already have 5 volts output. So we are going to connect it to this our circuit to test the output, guys. As you can see from the power bank, as you can see, guys, this is our power bank. So guys, as you can see, I've already connected it to the 5 volts input, as you can see, guys, and I have not turned it on. This is the remaining this thing on the power bank. So as you can see, guys, we are having 2 volts to 1 volt now. Let me on it. So guys, as you can see, we are having 4.77 volts, as you can see, guys. So from 5 volts to 4.7, guys. So we can use this to charge our lithium ion battery. So as you can see, guys, it is working. So I'm going to leave a diagram below, guys, on how to make the circuits. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. So as you can see,